Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use the Reddit app as a complete beginner. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to use Reddit. So in this video I'm about to simply show you how you can use Reddit. First of all, make sure to actually download and update the Reddit app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in a search box type in Reddit and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once done, you can open it and you can either choose to sign in with your Google account or your Apple ID as well. After you are basically logged in, as you can see, this is how the interface is actually going to look like. So you'll be able to see a list of recommended Reddits or some of the memes which you have on the Reddit app itself. And if you actually want to join a certain community or something, you could tap on the join button right over here in order to join that community as well. Now, what you can do is you can also tap on the like button as well. If you want to comment on it, you could also go ahead and simply post your comment. If you want to upvote it, you can tap on the upvote or downvote button as well. If you want, you can also share it as per your wish. Now, these are some of the fancy things you can do with a certain post on Reddit. If you want to create a post yourself, you can tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and enter an interesting title for your post. Select your image or video which you want to use. You could also go ahead and simply select a photo or maybe something else, maybe select a video or something. You can also create a poll. You can also actually talk, which is actually a new feature, and you can also select text or add some links as per your own wish and go ahead and share them to the Reddit community as well. If you want to actually chat with someone, you can tap on the chats icon at the bottom right, but then you actually have to search their profile. Tap on the start chatting button. Go ahead and simply actually search for any of the people which you actually want to chat right over here, and then you should go ahead and simply add them to your Reddit app, and then they will actually be able to chat with you if they accept it as well. If you tap on the notifications panel at the bottom right, you'll be able to see a list of all of the notifications you receive as well as the messages. If you tap on the three dots on the top right, you have the option to create a new message or actually mark all inbox as read or edit notification settings. If you tap on your profile icon on the top right, you have the option to actually edit your profile. For example, right over here, you could change the profile picture and so on. If you want to also actually create an avatar, you could simply create an avatar for yourself based on your own appearance. You also have the option to actually upgrade to Reddit premium version. So you have the premium version of Reddit if you want an ad-free version of Reddit. And then you also have Reddit coins as well as saved as well as history as well. Now, if you go to the settings panel from the bottom of the screen, you're basically going to be taken to this page. The other cool thing I'm going to show you is how you can actually turn on or off the NSFW, which means the not safe for work content. So if you actually want to enable those content, you can simply turn this toggle on. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. If it is turned off, it is simply going to be grayed out. You can also actually reduce animations if you want thumbnails, if you want to turn on autoplay or not, if you actually want default view. If you want to change your language as well, if you also want to turn on auto dark mode or actually turn on system wide dark mode, you could go ahead and simply review all of these settings based on your own need. You can also review account settings by tapping on the account settings button at the top of the screen. You could go ahead and simply actually switch your accounts or maybe update email address or something else. You could also go ahead and actually unsync your Google account by tapping on the disconnect button over here. And disconnect is basically going to disconnect your Reddit account from your Gmail, and it is basically going to delete it as well. This is basically how you can use the Reddit app as a beginner. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.